It's late Saturday afternoon, so I'll head out to a park, to a nearby hill, to try out 2B2C, a pocket QRP rig. This is Diamond Creek Trail, Diamond Creek in the northeastern suburbs of Melbourne, and this is my local hill. Not exactly a peak, but every vertical metre helps. So I'm no heroic Olympian cyclist. I'm going to push it up the last steep 150 metres or so. Up on the top of the hill now, this is the AQUEDUCT Trail, and it follows the path of a 19th century aqueduct which brought water from Maroondah Reservoir down into the city of Melbourne. It's only about 100 metres above sea level, but you can see to the horizon in most directions. Well, even though the band was quiet tonight, only one QSO, it was still fun to get out of the house and play some radio on a nearby hilltop.